Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Enoven Foods. Today we are making a simple traditional sweet that brings back memories of home, soft, chewy and rich rice laddu. Take 1 cup of rice, add 1 teaspoon of salt and pour in 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well and let it rest for 5 minutes. Rice laddus are a popular sweet in many South Asian festivals and rituals. Now roast the rice in a pan on low heat, stirring continuously. You don't need any special tools, just a blender and a pan. Always roast rice on low flame to get an even texture and avoid burning. Roast for about 7 to 8 minutes or until the color slightly changes. Add 3 tablespoons of peanut. Roast together. Use fresh dry peanuts for better flavor and shelf life. And let everything cool down completely. Once cool, transfer the roasted rice and peanuts to a blender. Blend until smooth. In a pan, heat 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add 1/4 cup of grated coconut and roast on low flame until aromatic. Peanut and coconut give these laddus a nutty crunch and richness. Now add half cup jaggery. Jaggery was one of the earliest forms of sugar used in Indian dessert. 1/4 cup water. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Cook this for 3 to 5 minutes until the jaggery syrup thickens. Coconut adds healthy fats and fiber to your diet. Peanuts provide protein and essential minerals. Add the blended rice mixture and mix thoroughly. Rice is gluten-free and a good source of energy. Jaggery is rich in iron and helps with digestion. Let the mixture cool for about 5 minutes so it's easier to handle. Grease your hands with a little oil and shape the laddus while still warm. If the mixture feels too dry to shape, add a teaspoon of warm ghee. And that's it, your soft and nutty rice laddus are ready to enjoy. Store laddus in an airtight box. They stay fresh for 3 to 4 days. Have you ever tried making laddus at home? Comment below and tell us how your rice laddus turned out. Thank you for spending time with us at Enoven Foods. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. We'll be back soon with another quick and delicious homemade treat. Until then, happy cooking!